She came over and said, I work at the Department of Defense and Security, and I'm wandering around front and acting really crazy.
I'm going to ask you a very stupid question. I'm required by law to ask this. Did you consent to her pushing?
No.
Okay. It's a legal question that I'm required to ask.
Hey, ma'am, come with me. Come with me. Give me your hands. Stop resisting.
And she just attacked the lady in line.
Who did?
This lady right here to your left. Right here.
Hey, ma'am, come with me. Come with me. Give me your hands. Stop resisting. Hey, find out who it was.
Come on over. She just came in the line and knocked her over. Yeah.
Stop it.
We're just going to step out. First of all, do you need medical attention?
No.
Are you alright? Mm-hmm. So what happened?
She was just walking around pointing at me. Just me.
That's what
We're taking her back.
I know, that's what I'm trying to do.
Yeah, I was just standing in line, minding my business. She keeps walking around pointing at me and saying, you. And comes up and just shoves me and smacks me.
Alright, I'm going to ask you a very stupid question. I'm required by law to ask this. Did you consent to her pushing?
No.
Okay. It's a legal question that I'm required to ask. And you said that you do not need medical attention?
No.
Did the shove cause any pain?
I was facing this way. She came up from behind me.
She shoved, and did she hit you, or just...
Straight on, pushed me and smacked me.
Where did she smack you? Just in the arm?
Yeah, I wasn't even looking at her.
Was it an open hand?
I don't know.
Do you have your ID on you?
Yeah.
We're not going to do that.
We got a squad coming up right now. Stand up. Someone pat her down real quick.
She's alright. That guy's watching.
So what happened?
Activist.
You're an activist? That gives you a right to punch someone?
Can you spread your feet for me?
Can't hear you.
Spread your feet.
Alright, you're going to have a seat in the squad, man.
Step in. It's fine. Anyone want to be a willing complainant and witness?
Her party
Yeah, it just helps having extra witness statements of what happened.
Can we do it from online?
Yeah.
I'll tell you what happened. Come here. My name's Robert Rowland.
Yeah.
I'm not coming back. So.
ID at all? It's easier to copy down. Because otherwise I'll stand here for 20 minutes saying, what was it? What was it?
stupid. Oh, give me my.
This is why I have this.
Yeah. But where did she come from, though?
Yeah, did you? I thought she started. I thought she had a little monkey right. She started saying, "Hey you, turn around." I was like,
You still
I thought she was just gonna be like, "Hey, what's up?" What I saw, officer, was this young lady in the blue sweatshirt.
All right.
Had like she was calling to someone, like she knew them, trying to get their attention. So we thought she was going to go there. I thought she was going to go get in line with them.
Okay.
No big deal. Came right through there. Went under the whatever the stupid thing is called.
One under the stanchion.
No, she passed right here.
All right. Oh, okay.
Right through there. And I thought she was just walking up to talk to them because she was trying to get their attention. What it sounded like to me from standing here. Next thing I know, she attacked them.
Yeah, she was pointing a finger at her and she was like, turn around.
Pointing finger and said,
And so,
like she was trying to get someone that she thought
Right.
someone she knew's attention, and then she goes, "Hey, student."
Yeah. Where'd they come from? I'm going, damn, you know them? Personally?
Here, and then
Went right over, kind of tripped on that.
Tries to hit the suitcase,
Went
and
to
all of a
hit
sudden
her
it
with
got
a bag
crazy.
or something.
All right.
And then she, after they separated, got them apart. She came over and said, I worked at the Department of Defense and security, and like wandering around front and acting really crazy.
All right. Well, thank you very much.
All right, Summer, do you think there's anything happened that I didn't ask you about?
That was it.
Just gonna run you through it just one last time, I promise.
Sure.
All right, so you're standing in line, minding your own business. She just starts pointing at you, and then where were you in line?
Like right there.
Right where you are? So she went past everybody that else was in line. Oh, okay.
And then
I mean, we're gonna see on the footage because there's camera
on
there,
there the whole time.
there.
But she like walked around for a while. She like walked around.
I don't know why.
I can't answer that question. Sometimes people
Just
that
be like that.
unfortunately. I wish I had answers. I wish there was a better system than this, but unfortunately, this is what we have. So you're standing right there. She comes up, shoves you from behind, and just says, "You," and then she just walked away, or
Yeah, well, they kind of like got her like off of me, and then I think she walked that way, I think, and I
Just sit over there for a little bit until you guys.
and then kept like saying something, and I didn't really hear what she said, and then you guys came in shortly after.
Do you have any questions for me?
I don't think so.
Normally, if I had my squad, I would have like a form for you. It's called the Wisconsin Victims Rights.
Sure.
This goes to court. You get somebody that's known as a victim witness advocate. Somebody you can talk to to help explain the whole process. What's going to happen probably is that you're going to get a phone call in the next couple of days from a district attorney's office. He'll talk to you, ask you some questions. Then you don't really have to do anything or show up until way down the road.
Sure.
All right, so honestly, it's gonna be like a time like you're gonna forget that it's kind of happened. Well, probably won't, but like it'll be so long that you're gonna be like, oh, that. Unfortunately, that's how slow everything is.
That's fine.
So, like I said, they'll contact you, and then the victim witness advocate will be the one kind of your go-between. They'll be able to answer any questions, explain the victim rights fund if there's like punitive damages or any injuries as a result of this. All right. Do you have any questions?
I don't think so. Thank you.
She's got a ankle brace. Oh my god! I cannot think of. Do you want that right now, or do you know what they're doing? I know you're not. That's deciding.
You have
I need to sit down.
the ankle bracelet. What other jewelry do you have, ma'am?
I think she has some rings.
2 rings.
You can sit down on the bench if you want. While he's talking, if you need to sit. That's it. That's not jewelry. Oh yeah, what do you think?
Yeah, we'll take that.
Yeah.
Little puppy there.
Well, we're putting it with all your property. I got it. You can put it on top of that thing.
And
This is worth $5,000.
well, let's keep that puppy's on for now. And hey, want to ask you these
This is from
questions?
Costa Rica. That is Sam. Oh, you know what? I'm wearing like, I don't know, $7,000 worth of jewelry.
I gotta ask you 3 questions. Have you had any drugs or alcohol in the last 24 hours?
No, sir.
Do you have any or thoughts of hurting yourself?
No, sir.
sick or injured in any way?
Are you sick or injured in any way?
No, sir.
Okay. You can just chill in here. We'll be right with you, okay?